Yes, be ready. Start. When the matter was pending before the police, the High Court decided the criminal miscellaneous case filed by the appellant and held that although the offending acts of the respondent could be construed as offences under other enactments, it could not be construed as acts of domestic violence under the PWD Act 2005 until the act came into force. The High Court dismissed the revisional application from the bare perusal of the impugned judgment passed by the High Court. We find that the High Court framed the following question, new para. The primary question that arises for consideration is whether acts committed prior to the coming into force of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 and which fall within the definition of the term domestic violence as informed in the act could form the basis of an action. The High Court, after taking into consideration the stand taken by the parties, held as follows. New para. This court would first concern itself with whether acts which now constitute domestic violence but committed prior to the coming into force of the act would form a basis of an action thereunder. With due respect to the authorities above cited, this court would inform that the fundamental issue stands unaddressed. The act came into force on 2005. It cannot be disputed that several wrongful actions which might have amounted to offences such as cruelty and demand for dowry cannot have taken the description of domestic violence till such time the act came into force. In other words, the offending acts could have been construed as offences under other enactments but could not have been construed as acts of domestic violence until the act came into force. Therefore, what was not domestic violence as defined in the act till the act came into force could not have formed the basis of an action. Ignorance of law is no excuse, but the application of this maxim on any date prior to the coming into force of the act could only have imputed knowledge of offence as subsisted prior to coming into force of the act. It is true that it is only violation of orders passed under the act which are made punishable. But those very orders could be passed only in the face of acts of domestic violence. What constituted domestic violence was not known until the passage of the act and could not have formed the basis of a complaint of commission of domestic violence. Over.